happy that we're able to acquire Aliyah. She's a good talent. She has great attitude, great character, and we look forward to growing together and learning together in the same team.
You'll be playing the same position together, so paano mo lang siya i-mentor sa team?
I won't be alone in mentoring her. Siyempre, ito naman yung coaches, and I'm with Kyla, who's more senior sa akin in the team. So, sabay kaming matututo since I'm still new in the team din naman. But whatever I can, teach her, I'm willing to share naman.
So, meron ba siya as libero? Kasi nakalist siya as libero or hitter.
I think that still depends sa coaches kung ano yung pag-desisyonan nila. But I think Aliyah is ready for anything. Yun yung maganda sa kanya. She's willing to learn and kung anong role yung ibibigay sa kanya ng coaches, willing niyang gampanan.
So, kamusta lang yung preparations ng Creamline for the upcoming conference?
Going well naman. Our new player or reinforcement, si Erica Stoughton. She's doing really well. Training na kami with her for a couple of weeks and she's growing into her role and we're happy na fit siya sa sistema namin. Yeah, I think we're progressing well and hopefully mataas lang yung magiging progress namin during the conference.
Paano lang harapin yung ng Creamline yung challenge na yun?
Siguro naman, definitely yung number one team sa reinforced conference is Petrogas, but there are other teams as well that have really beefed up their lineup with their reinforcements. We've got Fadel, they have MJ Perez, and all these other imports. But yun nga, syempre, you always gun for the champion. And kami naman, we'll do our best every game. Sino yung kalaban namin that day, dun kami nag-focus, take it one game at a time.